Hello guys, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Tech with Rakesh. Today in this video we will discuss about the world best manufacturing system called Toyota Production System. So what are those systems Toyota have been implemented in their own organization to achieve best quality at lowest cost? So guys, there is one request from you all. If you are new at this channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the further notification of my video. I usually brings this type of technical tutorial video at my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the complete house of Toyota production system. So those all systems which have been implemented in Toyota has been displayed in a house or as a construction of house. So here you will see that there are three foundation in this house. First is visual management, second is standardization of process, and third is Hinjuiga. And there are two pillars of this house. First is just in time and second is Jidoka. And in this middle of house you will see continual improvement. By implementing these all systems, Toyota achieves his goal best quality at lowest cost and shortest lead time, best safety and high morale of the employee. The house of Toyota production system is developed by founder of Toyota named Sakiji Toyoda and his son Kiichiro Toyoda and one of his engineer named Taiji Ohno. So here we will discuss one by one its foundation. What is visual management? Visual management is nothing but it is a practice by implementing in your shop floor or workplace. You can easily identify the key information by seeing your workplace. It can be achieved by 5S and Kaizens or key performance indicator in your shop floor. A standardization of process means by implementing best practices you can achieve the standardization of process. Third foundation is Hijunka. It means that production labeling or line balancing. By implementing line balancing, you can eliminate unevenness, overburden and waste, as well as it is also called Muramuri and Muda. It means that when your line is not balanced, it means that the cycle time of every processes are differing at each other. So that's why at some places or at some process your WIP will be more, and at some process you will face the lack of material or lack of output. That unevenness creates overburden or somewhere it creates more WIP. That's why overburden converted into waste. That is, these are the waste of the system. So by implementing line balancing, you can reduce Mura, Muri and Muda from your system. So guys, these are the two pillars of the Toyota production system. One is just in time and second is Jidoka. So just in time, it is the philosophy of producing or procuring the right items at the right time in the right amount. It has been replaced by Toyota as a lean manufacturing. Now it is also using as a just in time in HP, Dell, like that company, they are using just in time. But Toyota has replaced it as a lean manufacturing. So just in time or lean manufacturing can be achieved by Kanban system, one piece flow, takt time and SMED. So what is Kanban system? Kanban system is an inventory control system to track the production of your order of new shipments. It can be achieved by implementing route cards in your production system. By implementing route cards, you can easily track your material, how much material is in your process at which stage. Second is one piece flow. One piece flow means it is the continuous flow of material from input to output with zero WIP. It means that there should not be any WIP at any processes or at any stage. Third is takt time. So takt time is rate at which we need to complete the production process in order to meet the customer demand. Fourth is SMED, single minute exchange of die. It is the changeover of die time. So it should be single minute. It means that your changing time of die should be 0 to 9 minutes. So this SMED, single minute exchange of die, can be achieved by converting your internal factors into external factors. Second pillar is GDOCA. GDOCA means automation. By implementing automation in our process, when any abnormalities will occur in the process, the machine will stop automatically. So this GDOCA can be achieved by two tools named Andon and second is Pokayoke. Andon means a visual or audible communication system which notifies of abnormalities in the processes. Second is Pokayoke. It is well known as mistake proofing or error proofing also. It is used to detect the abnormalities in our system or process. So middle of this house of Toyota production system is continuous improvement. So this continuous improvement can be achieved by through elimination of waste, and second is people of teamwork. So by through elimination of waste, we need to eliminate these 7 types of wastage. So to eliminate these all wastage, we need to do 5 why analysis to find out the root cause before taking action. After find out the root cause by implementing 5 why analysis, we can take action on the root cause. Ginchi Genbutsu means by going at the site of problems where problem has occurred. So we need to go, or senior manager or top management of your plant should visit that site to find out the root cause. Second is people of teamwork. So continuous improvement can be achieved by your developing of people also. So by implementing the JOL system, we can achieve the roof of the Toyota production system, that is called goal. The goal of the Toyota production system is best quality, lowest cost, shortest lead time, best safety and high morale of the employee. So this is about the Toyota production system. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.